just performed
last week.
here in Hamilton.
Yes, on the national competition. So we just wanted to show you that it's been, you know, that all what you did and that wonderful waiata has been up on the national stage.
Gosh.
They say there's a bit more drama when they sing it than when we sing it.
Yes, yes. I would think so. They put more ihi
Young people.
Yeah. So we thought we'd show you that. Yeah.
Oh, I feel so proud of hearing and seeing, being, you know, performing something like was part of it. Kuia, Keupe,
Yeah. So it was very powerful moment, even because they of course performed down south before they went up, and they had a number of whānau go and talk to the students around what it meant before as they learnt it.
Yes.
So that was really, you know, great. We all owned schools.
Oh, right.
And so this is one of our schools. So that was really nice too. So we're their landlords.
It's really getting...
But yeah. So it's, you know, your legacy is still out there, Auntie. Growing and doing great things.
What makes me feel quite emotional that you're performing it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so at the start of our board meeting, when we come together as a board, we sing it every time. We need to get a bit better at singing more, but
yes, we do.
Yes. But they know who you are once you sing that waiata ne, waiata mai ana koe tū. They mohe mai rātou on koe nei te uri o Ngāti Rārua, waiata mai raka I te waiata raka.
Wairua